Hi, so this video is going to be a little bit different than the other videos just because what I'm showing you is extra credit. It is not required, but it is going to be something that's going to be very helpful to you, not just in increasing your grade, but by preparing you for the Unit 1 assessment, which is going to be this week. It's going to be on Friday. And so you can see that we've got a new topic here called study guides. And so your study guide for every single unit is going to be in this topic. Let's go ahead and let's look at um, the very first one. So you do have some instructions here, and I do suggest that you read those. And then you've got also a Google slide. And so you're going to recognize these slides. This is basically just a collection of the slides that we've gone through last week that has all the really important information on it. And I just combine them together so it's just easier to actually view them. And I also took out like any of the instructions about assignments and things like that. So it's just the information, really, just the stuff that you actually need to study in order to be successful on the test, I would say. And then at the same time, right, in addition to just being able to like look at that information and study that information, you can also use that information to complete this, right? And this is the actual extra credit assignment, is you are filling in the blank of these various sentences. So you can see each blank is like this highlighted brackets. And in there is where you are typing your answers. So like this one here, right? The government's power is divided between a federal, meaning national government, and state governments. This principle of government is known as, right? So you would go here and you would, right? It is in order. So it's not like you're bouncing back and forth between different slides. Like here, the answer would be, just to give you the first answer, federalism, right? Federalism is that idea that you have a federal government that makes decisions for the whole country, and then you've got state governments that make decisions for themselves, right? So if you're watching this, oops, sorry, that's the wrong page. If you're watching this, you got the uh, very first answer, right? Federalism. Cool. I mean, that's all you have to do is you just have to sort of find the answer in the Google slide, type it in this document, and then when you are finished, turn it in. Okay. So it's due on Thursday, which is the day before the assessment. So as long as you get it done by then, you get your extra credit. Okay. It's all good. But yeah, it's pretty much simple as that. Make sure that you're actually filling it in with the correct answers. Okay. If you filled in with the incorrect answers, you're not going to get the full extra credit. And then at the very end is just some additional study material. So you don't have to do anything for these. It's just letting you know, like, hey, this is some other stuff that's going to be tested, and you're not really able to fill in the blank with these things. And so you should just study these things and be prepared to know these things for the test. Okay. And because you're taking the test online, honestly, you can totally use the study guide while you're taking it. That is not a problem with me, as long as you are, again, finding the correct answers. If you do that, it's probably going to be very helpful for you. So let me know if there's anything confusing about this study guide, or if you just need help finding anything. Yeah, absolutely. Let me know. Email me, join tutorials, whatever it is you got to do to be successful, do that. So, all right, have a good one.